Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the BIC Comfort 3 Hybrid Men's Razor, one-handled 12 cartridges. Of course, the fabled, you get what you pay for often overrules. A penny saved is a penny earned. You multiply shaves by the price, and get the square root of the integer added to the circumference. But with razors, you tend to get what you pay for, which means you may be spending more in the long run. These razors are a great deal. 12 blades for $12. You can't beat that. This product makes no bones about it, and gives you the razor in the same package as the blades at a reasonable price. The only issue is they are a bit bulky, so hard to get in tight spots. Blade head comes off the handle every time you tamp the razor on your sink to get cut hairs out. If you want a cheap razor that provides fair results, this razor does the job. Paired with a good shaving cream, or shaving soap, these are sharp, inexpensive, and get the job done. It might have multiple blades on it, but it is so cheaply made that all the extra blades do is cut you up. It does what it's supposed to do. The per unit price is acceptable, and it doesn't eat large chunks of your skin. There are none. It really doesn't feel like it was designed for a human hand. It's fine if you only hold the razor in your hand and on orientation, but that isn't how shaving works. When you try to transition from downward to upward, it feels like it's going to pop out of your hand. The razor shave is not that bad, however, the way the razor clips onto the handle is not good. He has to be clean shaven for work, and has to shave every morning, and if there is an important meeting later in the day, sometimes has to shave around lunchtime. It is almost as though each blade needs to be broken in with 12 shaves, after which it shaves quite well. And they also have this line of razors that should be the first choice for every man. The shave is absolutely flawless, and comfortable with an ergonomic handle that you can take everywhere without taking too much space. Now razor companies seem to have colluded to get you to spend a lot more on razors. Every shave was a constant battle of nicking, tugging, and going over spots 23 times. The best thing about it is the price, so if in a pinch you needed some cheap razors, these might suffice. At a price point of about $1 each, that falls somewhere between the low and high end of the shaving world. The price tag is a giveaway. You're getting a whole lot of blades in comparison to other popular razors, but in reality, BIC is saving the expense of a junk razor that is Aloe handler razor, and you get one handle with 12 blades that don't do a great job. Yes, it shaves closely, and may be decent in a pinch, but the handler razor disposables are more practical to throw a few in the gym bag, take on a quick trip, desk at work, etc. Shave is kind of okay, but back to blades clog immediately, and design blocks from clearing. Sometimes things are cheap for a reason, and these are most definitely cheap for a reason. These are great razors, but the shaver part is kind of flimsy, and one drop in the shower the orange piece broke off. It's worth noting this is a pretty good shave at a reasonable price if you are getting the 10 add-on. The razor cartridge is intentionally designed with a plastic plate blocking the backside of the blaze, resulting in accumulation of hair between the blazes. Seems to work as well as razors with white lubrication strip, but nothing that gets tattered like those. 3 blades provide a close, comfortable shave, ergonomic handle, and pivoting head for better control as you shave, enhanced lubricating strip for extra glide, and new handle, and 6 cartridges in every package provides added convenience. Great product, hold a good edge, and is a great value. 1 handle, and 12 cartridges for $9. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.